Good afternoon, Santosh. Nowadays, students are joining very late. Why? Join fast, all of you. Have you all submitted your assignment? Tomorrow is the last date. Tomorrow is the last date. You have to submit your assignment. Many of the students till date they have not submitted the assignment. So again I am saying that submit your assignment. Today I will tell you the name those who have submitted the assignment. Okay? So by tomorrow, other students, you have to submit your assignment from class 6th B, Nirmay, Janvi, Narayan, Shardul, Yatharth, Ira, and Venkatesh. They have submitted their assignment. Okay. Now from 6th A, Bhavya, Rutuja, Samriddhi Soni, Jayant, Shantosh, Pranati. They have submitted their assignment. Rest of the students have not submitted their assignment. So by tomorrow you have to submit your assignment because I think more than 15 days I have given you for one assignment. Okay, and it's a compulsory, that also I told you, it's a mandatory for all. You have to submit your assignment. Okay, yes, yes, I have just now I have told your name. Na? Those who have submitted, I have that their name. Okay, those who have not submitted, so submit it by tomorrow. Okay. Well, so natural vegetation, we are talking about natural vegetation. In that, we have completed tropical rainforest, tropical deciduous, then thorny bushes and mountain vegetation. Yesterday I told that mountain vegetation once again we will see because last moment I have explained that mountain vegetation. So once again I will explain first mountain vegetation and then the last vegetation left, that is the mangrove vegetation. So in the case of mountain vegetation, the vegetation which we can see in the mountain region. Okay, so in the mountain vegetation, the varies according to their height, according to, means we can say variation in height, because we know that mountains are also in a different height. Yesterday I told you this is also mountain, we can say, this one is also mountain, we can say, this one is also mountain. So see, the height is also different. So according to height, vegetations are there, है ना? जिस तरह का height होगा उसी तरह का वहाँ पर different height, different vegetation we can able to see in the mountain region. Okay. So, for example, there are so many different types of mountain vegetations are there. That is the pine, chill. Okay, these are the different vegetation we can, important trees we can see in the mountain region. Okay, because as we go up, we know that mountain means, why we are saying in the, suppose this is a height, like a Mount Everest जो हम बोलते हैं, highest mountain peak. So there we cannot able to see any vegetation. Why? Because, and that's why you know very well, as we go up, temperature decreasing, oxygen level is also decreasing because no vegetations are there. Okay, जैसे जैसे हम ऊपर जाते हैं टेम्परेचर तो डिक्रीज होता है एंड वेजिटेशन, लेस वेजिटेशन, and that's why their oxygen levels are very less. Okay, so that means between 1500 meter to 2500 meter, jo ye this range, there we can able to see a conical vegetation, conical shape of vegetation. That's why that is known as a coniferous vegetation. And yesterday I asked one question, why in mountain region most of the trees are in a conical shape. You people have given the answer, so that snowfall can easily slide down, है ना, snowfall जो है वो easily slide down हो जाए, इसीलिए वहां पर ये vegetation होता है. Nowadays you know very well, अभी snowfall हो रहा है कहाँ पर, हिमाचल में. आप देखते होंगे ना हिमाचल में कितने snowfall हो रहे हैं, फुल ट्री जो है वो स्नो से ढका हुआ है. ठीक है, विंटर सीजन है तो वहां पर बहुत ज्यादा स्नोफॉल हो रहा है, सारे ट्री जितने भी वेजिटेशंस है वहां पर फुल स्नो से वो पूरा कवर्ड है, व्हाइट एंड व्हाइट. इट्स लुक्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. Okay, so this is all about mountain vegetation. So next we will move towards mangrove vegetation. Who has written Harsh Musale? Yes, Harsh has also given the, and because see, that's why I am saying now, some of the students they have submitted in a WhatsApp group. So I classroom में रहती तो मैं classroom खोल के देखी तो जिसका जिसका है, तो that's why I told to send me in a classroom. Okay, that your assignment you have to send me in classroom. Okay. Now the last vegetation, that is mangrove vegetation. Now mangrove vegetation, have you heard this type of vegetation, this name mangrove vegetation? आपने सुना है mangrove vegetation के बारे में कभी? Have you heard? Have you all heard about this mangrove vegetation? कहीं कहीं आपने सुना है मैंग्रोव वेजिटेशन के बारे में? Have you heard? Yes. Okay. Okay. Yes. So mangrove, actually this type of vegetation we can found in a coastal region. Where we can found this type of vegetation, especially in the coastal region. है ना, हम कहाँ देख सकते हैं इस टाइप के वेजिटेशन को? कोस्टल रीजन में हम देख सकते हैं. Trees that have root in water. Yes, half of the roots are submerged in the water. जो roots है वो submerged है water में. ठीक है? So this type of forest we can see in a coastal region. Say half roots, this type of vegetation, half roots are submerged in water. Submerged होता है water के अंदर में, कुछ roots जो है अंदर में होता है. And second thing, this type of vegetation can survive in saline water. Okay, किसमें survive कर सकते हैं? This type of, they are survive in saline water. Okay, saline water means, you know, saline water means salty water. Saline water means salty water. So this mangrove type of forest we can able to see in the coastal region. Second thing, that half roots are submerged in water, then they are survive in saline water. ठीक है, कहाँ सर्वाइव कर सकते हैं वो? सलाइन वाटर में वो सर्वाइव करते हैं. Okay, then they are mainly where we can able to see this type of forest. So they are found mainly in Sundarban Delta, where we can see Sundarban Delta. Okay, where we can able to see this type of vegetation, Sundarban Delta in West Bengal. कहाँ पर हम देखेंगे इसको? West Bengal. You know very well the Sundarban Delta is the world largest delta. Okay, Sundarban Delta जो है, it is world largest delta. So this mangrove forest we can able to see in the Sundarban Delta. Okay, and Andaman and Nicobar Island Island. Now, because we know that this type of vegetation can survive only in a saline water, जो salty water होता है, ocean body या sea में वो ज़्यादातर जो है ये survive करते हैं. Now, delta, do you know delta means what? Delta किसको बोलते हैं? Delta means you know how that delta is formed. I think I have explained you about delta. No man who has written. Don't know about delta? Okay. Now I will tell you. Delta means sea because delta जैसे क्या होता है? Delta means जब ये जो river जो है ना? Somebody has written something. Okay, see here what happened from here that Ganga river is coming. Okay, Ganga river is flowing, and from this direction Brahmaputra river is coming. Both that river, when they are coming, as I told, that when the river flows from the mountain region, it flows very fast. But as it enters in the plain region, the flowing, so it starts many distributaries, है ना? बहुत सारे उसमें क्या हो जाते हैं? Distributaries form हो जाते हैं. So like this, the distributaries form. And this water, when they enter, and afterwards, this water is entering in the sea. यहाँ पर जाके वो sea में जो है, जैसे Bay of Bengal, यहाँ पर क्या है? Bay of Bengal, है ना? Here what is there? Bay of Bengal. जब वो Bay of Bengal में mix होते हैं, तो ये जो एक part है, जो दोनों रिवर मिक्स होते हैं उनके जो डिस्ट्रिब्यूटरीज फॉर्म होते हैं और ये जो माउथ है दैट पार्ट इज नोन एज अ डेल्टा, उसको बोला जाता है डेल्टा. ठीक है, अंडरस्टूड? डेल्टा मींस व्हाट एंड हाउ इट फॉर्म्स. इट इज क्लियर नाउ. It is clear that both that river when it is coming from the mountain region and as it enter in the plain region, so many distributaries form. Okay, और जब वो जो मिक्स होते हैं, जब वो एंटर होते सी में, तो जो एरिया है यहाँ पर दैट इज नोन एज अ डेल्टा. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट Sundarban Delta where we can able to see in the West Bengal and Andaman Nicobar Island. Okay, now why it is known as a Sundarban Delta only? क्यों इसको सुंदरबन डेल्टा ही बोला जाता है? Because a sundari is a well-known species of trees in a mangrove. वहां पर जो है ये जो फॉरेस्ट है वहां पर एक पर्टिकुलर स्पीसीज जो ट्री के है दैट इज सुंदरी, एंड विद दैट सुंदरी ओनली इट फॉर्म्स सुंदरबन डेल्टा. वहां जो ट्री का जो स्पीसीज है वो कौन सा है? सुंदरी, है ना? उसका नाम क्या था? सुंदरी. और उस सुंदरी ट्री से उस जगह उस पर्टिकुलर एरिया जो है उसको सुंदरबन डेल्टा के नाम से जाना जाता है. So, mangrove forest after which Sundarbans have been named, and because of that Sundari tree, now it's known as a Sundarban Delta. Now, mangrove forest जो roots होते हैं उसका और एक reason और एक benefits होता है. एंड यू नो वेरी वेल कि जो मैंग्रोव फॉरेस्ट के जो रूट्स होते हैं, हाफ रूट्स आर सबमर्ज्ड इन द वाटर, उसके जो रूट्स है वो सबमर्ज्ड इन द वाटर। तो जब कभी भी कोई टाइड या वेव्स जो आते हैं ना, तो ये मैंग्रोव रूट्स आर इंटरलॉक होते हो जाते हैं। इंटरलॉक कैसे? ये रूट्स उनके, ये सपोज ये उनके ट्रीज हो गए और ये आधे जो रूट्स है उसके वो पूरा पानी में, तो ये इंटरलॉक वेव्स अगर यहाँ पर आते भी है तो सबसे पहले क्या है, वो रूट्स के वजह से उसको आने नहीं, वेव्स ट्री को जो है रोक लेते, मतलब वो एंटर हो नहीं सकते। मैंग्रोव फॉरेस्ट का यह और एक बेनिफिट्स ये भी होता है कि जो टाइड्स और वेव्स जब कभी भी वहां पर आते हैं तो मैंग्रोव रूट्स आर इंटरलॉक एंड वेव्स को वो क्या करते हैं, रोक लेते हैं। ठीक है, एंड दे रिलीज ऑक्सीजन रिलीज करते हैं एंड दे आर टेकिंग CO2 कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जो है वो एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं। सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर natural vegetation. So 5 types of vegetation they are said. So 2 parts we have already completed, climate and vegetation. ठीक है, climate हो गया, vegetation हो गया। Now related, because we are talking about natural vegetation, so we will see how the forests are useful to us. Okay, vegetations, so we have completed all the 5 vegetations. Now, if anybody is having any doubt regarding this, you can ask. Otherwise, we will move towards the next topic, that is how the forests are very useful. Okay, or why our forests are very necessary. Why our forests are very necessary. No doubt? Nobody? Okay. Then we will move towards the next topic, that is how forests are necessary. Now you tell me why forests are so necessary. Because everything we are getting from forest only. Now suppose you are sitting in the chair, that also you are getting from the forest. How? Because it is made up of wood. From that wood we are getting from forest. So not directly, indirectly we are, many things we are eating. From where we are getting? From plants. So plants means where that plant is present? In forest. So forest, everything we are, means we can say we are depending on forest only. Okay, that is very we can say integral part of our life also. Forest is an integral part of our life. Okay. So forests are very useful for us. How forests are very useful for us? First, that is, we know that it gives us oxygen. Very important that from forest, what we are getting? Oxygen. है ना, सबसे पहला जो है, plant release oxygen that we breathe and absorb carbon dioxide. See, plant is releasing oxygen that we are inhaling. What we are exhaling? Carbon dioxide, CO2, है ना। Inhale हम क्या कर रहे हैं? ऑक्सीजन। हम क्या inhale कर रहे हैं? ऑक्सीजन। Exhale कर रहे हैं, what we are exhaling? Exhale carbon dioxide. So both that thing, plant releasing oxygen that we are inhaling. We are exhaling what? Carbon dioxide. That carbon dioxide is absorbed by plant. So like this, it is a balancing, है ना। इस तरह से जो एक बैलेंस जो है वो हमारे एनवायरमेंट में कौन मेंटेन कर रहा है? प्लांट। Because you know very well that nowadays, because of deforestation, this carbon dioxide percentage is increasing day by day and oxygen level is decreasing. Why? Because of deforestation. अगर हम पेड़ ही काट देंगे, है ना, पेड़ ही हम काट देंगे, see day by day population तो increase हो रहा है ना, day by day population जो है वो increase होते जा रहा है। ठीक है, और अगर हम लोग डिफॉरेस्टेशन कर दिए, पेड़ को काट दिए, तो व्हाट विल हैपन? वी विल लेस ऑक्सीजन लेवल विल बी लेस, oxygen and carbon dioxide level as usual it will increase, then that is imbalance हो जाएगा. The environment में जो एक balance था पहले, वो अभी क्या होते जा रहा है? Imbalance. बहुत सारे reasons हैं, pollutions are also there, many reasons are there. That is, we are always talking about global warming, global warming. What is that? Because of this only. Okay, because of this only. Okay. So the first important thing, that plant release oxygen that we breathe and absorb carbon dioxide. Okay. Now the next important thing is the roots of the plants bind the soil. Okay, thus they control soil erosion. The roots of the plant bind the soil. जो ये roots होते हैं plants के, this one suppose this is the root, this bind the soil. Soil को वो क्या करता है? आप देखते भी होंगे ना, आप अगर घर में कोई प्लांटेशन करते होंगे तो आप देखोगे कि जो बड़े बड़े ट्रीज है उसके रूट्स बहुत अंदर 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 बहुत दूर तक वो फैल जाते हैं और सॉइल अपने प्लांट्स को जो है वो बांध कर रखते हैं, सॉइल को जो है वो बाइंड करके रखते हैं. और क्या स्टॉप करते हैं? सॉइल इरोशन. कि जब कभी भी हैवी रेनफॉल हुआ या कुछ भी हुआ तो वो सॉइल इरोशन को जो है, अगर कोई प्लांट नहीं होता है तो सन रेनफॉल जो है डायरेक्टली कहाँ फॉल होता था? लैंड में, सॉइल में, और फिर उस पानी से जो है टॉप लेयर ऑफ द सॉइल जो है वो इरोड होते होते जाता. बट ड्यू टू प्लांट्स इट स्टॉप सॉइल इरोशन. सॉइल इरोशन को वो स्टॉप करके रखते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज forest provide us with timber for furniture, fuel wood, fodder, medicinal plants, herbs, honey, gum, lac, so many things. In your textbook, one pictures are also there. The how we all are depending, so many things plants giving to us, and we are totally depending on plants. Okay, so many things plants are giving to us. See, wood, furniture, fuel, medicinal, herbs, so many, honey, rubber, everything we are getting from plants. Okay, then forests are natural habitat of wildlife. It's true only all the animals where they used to live in the forest. So that's why forests are natural habitat of वाइल्ड लाइफ. फॉरेस्ट जो है, अब सोचो अगर हम फॉरेस्ट ही काट देंगे तो एनिमल्स क्या घर हमारे घर में आके रहेंगे क्या? है ना? इफ वी विल कट, इफ वी विल डिफॉरेस्ट, ऑल दैट डिफॉरेस्टेशन जो हम लोग बोल रहे हैं, कट, वी विल कट, सो वेयर देन द एनिमल्स विल लिव. So automatically where they will live? They will come in our home and they will live with us. Is it possible? Is it possible? No. Is it not possible? है ना? हम एनिमल्स को तो अपने घर में तो रख नहीं सकते. So that's why we should not cut the forest. Okay? We should not cut the forest. So to maintain all this thing, there are so many challenges are there. And to maintain all this thing, there are many challenges are there. Like what are the natural means challenges we can say for that is destroyed to large extent, है ना? Reckless of cutting trees, pollution, changing climate. So we have to accept all these challenges. We should stop this one deforestation. We should stop the pollution. Okay, अगर हम ये करें तभी जाके हम ये बोल सकते हैं कि हम हमारे मदरलैंड जो एनवायरनमेंट को जो है वो प्रोटेक्ट कर रहे हैं. वाई एवरी टाइम वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग वन महोत्सव जो हम लोग सेलिब्रेट करते हैं एनवायरनमेंट डे. वाई वी आर डूइंग ऑल दिस थिंग? जस्ट टू अवेयर, है ना, फॉर अवेयरनेस. ओके, सो बेटर नाउअडेज everybody before also many times, many of these teachers or your mothers or anybody told to you that in your birthday one plantation you have to do. So now this time again I am saying, see, in your birthday next time onwards, आपका जब भी कभी बर्थडे आता है तो try to do one plantation. आप उसको टेक केयर, उसको फ्रेंड बनाओ, प्लांट को फ्रेंड बनाओ, उसका केयर करो। और जब आपको ही अच्छा लगेगा, जब आप ग्रो हो जाओगे बहुत, तो प्लांट भी धीरे धीरे आपके साथ वो ग्रो होगा। तब आपको समझ में आएगा कि आपको अच्छा लगेगा, मैंने ये प्लांट लगाया था, देखो आज कितना बड़ा वो हो गया। बिकॉज यू नो वेरी वेल, प्लांट्स आर गिविंग, फॉरेस्ट आर गिविंग सो मेनी थिंग्स। ओके, वो हमको शेप देते हैं, वो हमको ऑक्सीजन देते हैं, सो मेनी थिंग्स। So that's why next time onwards, now we are saying that new year we have to take one resolution. So this time you take that, whenever next time when your birthday will come, you have to do one plantation and take care. Plantation करके उसको छोड़ना नहीं है, उसको take care भी करना है। Okay, so here we finish about that natural vegetation and why forests are necessary. Okay, and submit your assignment in Google Classroom. Okay, thank you all of you.